If Tesla's popular air conditioner breaks down, you don't have to worry about the air conditioner not being able to work. At least it can make Tesla safe to drive. If the popular air conditioner breaks down, it doesn't need to be broken. The new Long Al can repair it.
I think Brother Long is promoting Tesla like this now because I really don't want to be sued by cars again.
Remove the speed reducer and then the Thermodream system. Tesla has to drive tens of thousands of kilometers. Its Thermodream air conditioning pipes will be very dirty. Be sure to clean them well. Even if your Thermodream is not broken, you should clean it regularly.
Open the rear cover of the compressor, open the screw, and it's broken. Clean and repair the compressor and replace it with a new animal and still life option. Turn the compressor on and break up the hot dream. Disassemble and clean the 8-way valve of the aluminum pipe. Cleaning impurities in heat pump aluminum tubes with ultrasonic waves. Restore the hot dream system. Put the daydream back together and install the compressor.
After the hot dream, be sure to press the ball bag pipe to ensure there is no leakage, and finally add cold coal. When the air conditioner is turned on, the hot air and cool air are normal. Tesla's popular air conditioners are very efficient. Turning on the air conditioner consumes no electricity at all. Even if there is a hot air conditioner, it won't cost much to repair. Audience Long Al will help you understand electric cars better.